For a lot of dentists, they just work, hope they have enough to retire on, and then they go to transition it into a sale of a practice, and they really don't have an idea of what some of the groundwork should have been before they got there. People that have a plan and plan for that 5 years, 10 years, whatever their time frame is, find themselves in a better position to get to that point in their career where they can say, it's time for me to retire. I think the DDS match has this tools in place now that will take you to that end point.
There are a number of clients who may be 3 to 7 years away from transitioning. So we created a practice optimizer experience to have them be ready for a future transition of their choosing. Our ultimate role as DDS match professionals is to give them options.
When I sit down with a guy to talk about his possible transition, the first thing I always talk to him about is, what are you going to do if you're not cutting teeth? The guys that have the quick answers of, I'm going to go fishing, or I love to golf, I'm going to golf every day, those are easy. The tough ones are the guys that really don't know what they want to do. So we spend a lot of time talking about, what could you do?
What I'd like to do for retirement, I would like to stay active in dentistry, but not have to have my dental practice really run my life. Have the ability to take time off, travel. I've traveled more this summer than I've traveled my entire 30 years as a dentist.
Oftentimes I hear, I've never had more than 10 days of vacation. Maybe it bled over into a weekend. I want to go to Europe. I want to go away for 2 or 3 weeks, but I've never felt like I could.
When a dentist transitions their practice in the right way, they can look forward to really a longer life, less stress in their life. They have money that they can put in the bank because we made a plan and we prepared them and we knew exactly at the high point where we would do this.
I was working a convention booth and 2 of my previous sellers come by, and it was great listening to what they're doing in retirement, how much they're enjoying it. It felt good, when you know you're doing the right thing and doing your job.